A lot of steps for $400. A lot of steps. A lot of steps. A lot of steps. A lot of steps. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Here comes the Sam. Do 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 do. Here comes the Sam.
Hey, Sam. 8 claps.
5 claps.
7 claps.
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo, and with me I have 2 weirdos I'm related to, such as...
Hi guys, Adriana here.
My sister, and...
Big Vibe.
AKA...
Josiah.
My brother-in-law. Okay, we are here for a grudge match, and I'm going to use it on someone else.
That thing is heavy, baby.
I freaking know it,
It's
right?
giving bicep curls. Is that enough? All right.
All right.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright.
Now, guys,
You excited?
it's time to do.
Excuse me? Oh my God, it's giving vacuum cleaner.
I was like, it's still got so much texture.
I know. All right. That did a little something. Yeah.
I mean, it did it.
Yeah,
but
it did.
It's not straight.
No, it's not straight, but we're not trying to straighten it though.
That's true. We're just trying.
We just like stretching it out. So
for
yeah.
$400, it should
For
straighten.
$400, it should straighten it and put gas in my car.
Yep.
So this is JoJo's incredibly coarse and strong hair, and it still has a lot of texture to it. I used the 7 setting and the highest heat, re-dampened it because it was damp, but it could have been more damp, and it stretched it, but it certainly did not straighten it. Rolling.
Sam.
So, okay. To reiterate, we're
Right.
just gonna go in smaller sections, okay? Much smaller sections. I saw that in the comment section of the one where I was struggling for hours on end. It's funny because it's painful. So, we're gonna re-dampen the hair. And then we're gonna detangle it again, even though it was detangled in the shower. In the shower, in the shower where it was detangled before. We're just gonna do it again. We're gonna do this is supposed to be cutting down on all the time that you have to use when you're blowing out your. We'll just, that's what we'll do. And then we're just gonna use a heat protectant because we love our strands and don't want them to fall out of our head. Period. And then here we go.
All right, here we go. Jojo, you doing all right down there? Handsome. Sam!
Unfortunately, JoJo loves to get his hair done.
Sam?
Got a lot of patience for
I'm
that.
enjoying this right now.
That's awesome. I love that. No, seriously, I do.
You want this? Come here. You want this? Come here, Sam.
She wants this to go outside.
Sammy, come here. Look at you. Hi, cutie.
Sam, she's looking at me. Come here. I know you love me. Come. Up. Up.
Did I tell you what happened at dinner? Don't be coy.
Huh?
Did I tell you what happened at the banquet? JoJo?
Tell me.
I can tell you what happened at the banquet, but you gotta make sure not to tell Guinevere.
Yep. I got you locked.
I saw the craziest thing.
And what happened?
I'm so tired. I am so tired. It's so heavy. Wait, I couldn't have a tear floating down.
All right.
Your follicles, my liege. Does this please you?
I'm stopping this.
I just want y'all to know that me and my sister are about to take an arm break. Her from this heavy
Baby.
freaking DSLR camera with a focal lens, and me from this elephant trunk with a freaking battering ram on the end of it.
No.
I gotta change shirts. I'm like sweating.
Like literally giving sweating. Okay. So what were you guys saying?
Hey guys, just dropping in just now. JoJo, what did you ask about this thing?
I just see this interesting part there. That might be an armrest. That's
Because
cool.
you just get so tired.
Yeah.
You just
It's
get
not cool. Like,
tired.
look at
Let's
it.
see you lean on it. They got a built-in armrest for the children. But
And you gonna need it.
bravo for the armrest.
You gonna need it too. Oh, I literally changed clothes because I was getting too hot because it's a lot.
It's giving hard work.
It's giving labor.
She's just a stylist in the game.
I'm just a stylist girl without
Not without a natural curve. Yes.
She took the midnight train going to Arm Day.
Shun gung gung gung.
700 boy. Oh god.
Hi. What's up, baby? Look at you. You about to be fresh out the salon.
Strangers,
She's about to
people
get me right.
trying to use this elephant trunk. Something, my arms burn in the night.
Blue
Subscribe.
sky,
Subscribe for my pain. Like for my effort. Pledge to Patreon for my lovely guests. Now. I can see you. You. Yeah, you. There we go. The arms are burning and the kids are learning.
The arms are giving hit me baby one more time and I'm gonna give out on you. Okay?
They're giving, we can make it if we try.
If we try.
But you gonna be in the
hot.
What is this? How strange.
See? That's a cup.
for your water.
That you gonna need. You gonna need you some water. Now rest on the armrest. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Like and subscribe for bevies and rests.
And
I just think we should try it.
It's like me and you doing skits and JoJo just sitting there like innocent, like
being calm.
Yeah,
and
like
normal.
just calm and normal and like actually a human being.
That makes sense though.
Sam, you want this?
Anytime you
Trickery.
I love lying to my child. It's fun and free. Did you hear about Deborah?
Not the.
You got a lot of hair. Like that's their fault.
Right, like
and bad.
Okay.
Rude.
Thank you, but not. I'm sorry.
I remember when people used to tell me that, and then my hair broke out.
Oh, great. And you're
Because
like,
they were
great. I
taking
don't
the time.
have a lot now.
Using crazy chemicals in my hair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just
Take one more look at it.
Just take a look at it.
Okay. Yeah, just
See what?
See what happens.
just the heck of it.
I like that my arms aren't burning.
Alrighty, it's the same without the arm.
No, this is better.
And actually, it's better. Yeah.
Wait.
$400 later. $30 later.
40 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 pounds. 3 pounds. Rage. Anger.
Sam? Well, alright. So fast and just like throwing stuff down so we can talk about Love Island.
Love Island. We're watching Love Island. We gotta get back in there.
StarPuppy got me right. That's always, yo.
Look at all that freaking hair.
Always.
Look to the left.
Yo.
Look to the left. No, look to the right. One hop this time. You would never know how much longer this could have taken.
Ready to step up. Let me step out. Let me step out.
Step out on him. Samuel.
Salmon.
Sam, look to the left. And look to the right. One hop this time. Next one this time. Okay.
2 bags this time. 2 bags this time.
Everybody going to Charm.
Okay. Yay! I refuse to run audio. Like and subscribe. Check out Big Five. Check out Like No Other Glover on Instagram. Instagram, YouTube, and
Spotify.
yeah, Big Vibe with a
Anywhere you
Y.
listen to music.
Oh my god. Please like and subscribe. That was another several hours of my life I've been dealing with this elephant trunk. Now they see how much it is, like, to work with. Just get the Revlon. I'll link it in the bio below. I really want to love this RevAir, but the technology is just too clunky and expensive for the clunkiness that it has. So just get a Revlon. It works really well. I'll link it below. I upload on Tuesdays. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.